Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. How to tell if a younger woman is attracted to you, especially if you're an older man. Understanding body language is key because women often communicate attraction subtly without directly saying it. So, if you're wondering if that younger woman you've been talking to is into you, stick around as we explore 10 body language signs that she might be interested in you. Let's get started. She maintains eye contact. One of the first and most important signs to look for is eye contact. If she's consistently making eye contact with you during conversations, it's a strong indicator that she's interested. Women tend to use their eyes to show attraction and connect on a deeper level. If she's holding your gaze a little longer than usual or looking at you with soft, attentive eyes, she might be signaling that she's drawn to you. But it's more than just holding eye contact. Pay attention to how she looks at you. If her eyes light up when she sees you, or if you catch her looking at you from across the room, that's a strong sign that she's intrigued by you. Eye contact creates intimacy, and when she's making the effort to maintain it, it shows she's comfortable with you. Remember, though, not all women will stare directly into your eyes for extended periods, as some might be shy. In these cases, quick, repeated glances can also indicate attraction. She leans in when talking to you. Another key body language sign is how she positions her body during conversations. If a younger woman leans in while talking to you, she's showing that she's engaged and interested in what you have to say. Leaning in reduces the physical distance between you two, which can create a sense of intimacy. This action often happens unconsciously, but it's a big indicator that she feels comfortable around you. If she's leaning in during your conversations, it signals that she wants to be closer to you, both physically and emotionally. This is especially true if she does this in crowded or noisy places where leaning in could be a necessity, but she does it even when the situation doesn't require it. Also, notice if she mirrors your body language. If you lean forward and she does the same, it shows she's subconsciously syncing up with you, which is a great sign of attraction. She touches her hair or face. Touching her hair or face while talking to you is a classic body language sign of attraction. Women often play with their hair or touch their face when they're feeling nervous or excited, especially around someone they're attracted to. This subtle behavior can be a way of drawing attention to herself or showing that she's a bit flustered in your presence. For example, if she's twirling her hair, brushing it behind her ear, or even adjusting it while talking to you, it can be a sign that she's trying to make herself look more appealing. Similarly, lightly touching her face, like brushing her cheek or lips, can indicate that she's thinking about her appearance in relation to you. This behavior is usually subconscious, so if you notice her frequently doing this when she's around you, it's a good indicator that she's interested. She smiles a lot around you. A woman's smile is one of the most powerful body language cues. If she's constantly smiling or laughing when you're around, it's a clear sign that she enjoys your company and feels comfortable with you. Smiling is a way of showing warmth and attraction, but not all smiles are the same. A genuine smile, one that reaches her eyes, is a strong indicator that she's genuinely happy to be around you. If she's smiling or laughing at your jokes, even the ones that aren't that funny, she's likely trying to show that she enjoys being with you. Look for these genuine smiles as a sign that she's not only attracted to you, but also feels good when she's around you. She finds excuses to touch you. Physical touch is a major indicator of attraction. If a younger woman is finding small, subtle ways to touch you, like brushing her hand against yours, lightly touching your arm, or playfully bumping into you, it's a strong sign that she's attracted to you. Women often initiate touch as a way to create a closer connection, and these small touches are often done unconsciously. If she's comfortable enough to make physical contact, it means she feels safe and attracted to you. Notice how often this happens. If she's frequently finding excuses to touch you during conversations or interactions, she's likely trying to create a deeper bond. She faces you directly. Body orientation is another subtle but powerful signal. If she's facing you directly during conversations, with her body fully turned toward you, it's a sign that she's fully engaged and interested. Women tend to face the people they are attracted to, as it signals openness and availability. On the other hand, if she's turning her body away or only slightly facing you, she may not be as interested. A full, open body posture shows that she's not only interested in what you have to say, but also open to the possibility of something more. She mirrors your movements. Mirroring is when she subconsciously mimics your body language, movements, or speech patterns. If she's copying your gestures, posture, or even the way you speak, it's a strong sign of attraction. Mirroring is a subconscious way of building rapport and creating a sense of connection. For example, if you take a sip of your drink and she does the same shortly after, or if you cross your legs and she follows suit, it's her way of syncing up with you on a deeper level. This mirroring behavior often happens without either person realizing it, but it's a powerful indicator that she's attracted to you. She blushes around you. Blushing is one of the clearest signs that a woman might be attracted to you. It's something she can't control, and if you notice her cheeks turning red or flushed when she talks to you, it could mean she feels nervous or excited in your presence. Blushing often happens when someone feels a bit shy, self-conscious, or embarrassed, especially around someone they like. If a woman blushes while talking to you, it's a good indication that she's feeling some level of attraction or interest. It's her body's natural reaction when she feels nervous or flustered because she's drawn to you. This kind of blushing usually isn't a bad thing. It's actually a sign that she might feel excited or happy to be around you. In social situations, blushing is a subtle yet strong cue. She may blush when you compliment her, make her laugh, or even when there's a moment of eye contact. These are all signs that she feels a connection and may be interested in you. So, if you see her cheeks redden when you're together, take it as a positive sign. Blushing is one of those little hints that she may not be able to say out loud, but her body is revealing how she feels. Keep things comfortable, and she might become even more open to showing how much she enjoys being around you. She acts playfully around you. If a woman is teasing you or acting playful when you're around, it usually means she feels comfortable with you and is enjoying your company. Being playful, like making light jokes or teasing, is often her way of showing interest without being too serious. It's a way for her to keep things fun and relaxed while also seeing how you respond. When a woman teases you, it's her subtle way of testing the connection between you two, seeing if there's chemistry. It's a positive sign that she likes being around you and wants to build a playful bond. She lingers around you. If she's always finding excuses to stick around after you've been talking or spending time together, it's a clear sign she enjoys your company. Maybe she lingers after a conversation, asks you extra questions, or finds small reasons to stay near you. This shows that she feels comfortable with you and likes being around you. She's not in a hurry to leave because she's enjoying the time you're spending together. Whether it's hanging back after a group event or casually suggesting you stay a little longer, these are her subtle ways of showing she doesn't want the interaction to end. And there you have it, 10 body language signs that a younger woman might be into you if you're an older man. Pay attention to these subtle cues because body language can say a lot more than words. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights like these. Thanks for watching.